I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your iPhone is unlocked and running the latest iOS, because settings labels can change. Once done, make sure you know which ESIM line you want to disable. Names often show under Cellular. Now open Settings, tap Cellular or Mobile Data, and look for the ESIM profile list. Pause if you see multiple lines. You'll select the correct one next. This minimizes mistakes and makes the rest of the process fast and reliable. You now tap the ESIM entry to open its details, because the Disable controls live inside. Next, choose Disable this line or Remove Cellular Plan. Labels vary with iOS, so read the confirmation text before tapping. If you plan to re-enable later, choose Disable rather than Remove. This preserves your profile. Make sure to confirm any prompts, and if asked, enter your passcode or Face ID. Once confirmed, the line will go inactive and show as disabled or removed in the menu. Finish by restarting your iPhone to ensure the change takes effect across networking subsystems. This clears cached profiles and avoids ghost connections. If you need the ESIM again, re-add it with the carrier QR code or settings right arrow, add cellular plan, and follow prompts. If the line still appears active or you lose service unexpectedly, reset network settings or contact your carrier. Make sure to back up any needed account details first. That troubleshooting step resolves most persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.